Do you want to cut your fringe by yourself, but avoid mistakes? My name is Karin. I'm a hair and makeup artist, and I will show you in a few seconds how you can do it. This is a requested video, and I'm very happy about your suggestion. Thank you so much. Cutting your fringe by yourself. Well, I want to show it to you how you can do it. So I have to do it on myself as well, which is not as easy because you see my fringe is very short. If I do it on a model, you will say, it's easier to do it on others. If you do it on yourself, it's going to be more complicated. So I had to think about something, how I can show you to do it on yourself. But I had a good idea. If you want to cut yourself a fringe, always part your hair in a triangle. This triangle can be more wide, it can go more down here. Never part it straight here, it will not look nice. Ta-da! I never had long hair in my life, but just for you, to show you how to cut your fringe, I have long hair now. And it's strange, I'm not used that I have something in my face. Now I can show you how to cut your fringe by yourself. So I'm gonna give my long hair for your fringe. What I recommend, if you cut your fringe by yourself, do it when it's dry. Because the hair goes like whoop up when it dries. So maybe you did this experience once. You cut your hair when it was wet or towel dry, and then it dried up really, and it went up like panic because suddenly it's up here where you don't want to have it. I would recommend don't cut your hair with a normal scissor. Get a real scissor for hair. So I have to fake this fringe now for you. I have the same circumstances like you're gonna have when you cut your fringe. We both don't see anything. If you cut your fringe the first time, cut it in a length that you can work with it. So cut all this off. Normally I say don't cut your hair like this because it's too dangerous that you have a hard line. Only this first step you can cut your hair horizontal. You know what's funny? It's not my real hair, but I'm like, I have to cut this hair off now. So Karin, it's not your hair, but I can understand if you're nervous at home when you cut yourself a fringe. So I want to have this fringe now, the shortest point here, straight, and then soft hair on the side. Something else, I said before, you do the triangle. If you want to have just a thin fringe, you do, of course, you do the triangle more flat. You know, you don't take so much hair here. You don't do a big triangle. You do it more down here. The thicker you want to have your fringe, the more hair you have to bring from the back. Leave the outer hair outside and you just take the middle part to cut your fringe. You have to start in the middle with the shortest point. And I have to say, if you want to have a fringe which is really straight and a hard line, don't do it by yourself. It's very difficult. And the most hairdressers, they have this service of cutting your fringe when you're a client there anyway. If you want to have a softer line, move it away from your face. If you want to have a harder line, go to your face. This is my shortest point. Please don't cut it horizontal. It will be a very sharp line. Cut it vertical and in little cuts. And it's very soft. If it's still a little long, you can go in like this. Oh, that's hard because it goes into your eyes. But you can see the soft line already, right? The next one, you don't pull it just down, you bring it a little to your nose and you connect it to the line you cut before already. Again, you pull it to the side. Poof. You can see, right? It's a nice line which is going longer slowly. I will do it shorter now because I can't see anything. It drives me crazy. See? You get a very, very soft result then. This we leave like this for the moment, and I will do the other side. Maybe one of the biggest mistakes is that you're not patient enough and you want to just cut it. But then you think, oh, it's too short there. Okay, I'm gonna make it shorter there. So you're going shorter and shorter and shorter. I have no suggestion what you could do that the hair is not going into your eyes. That's very uncomfy. So I'm very happy you can't say, oh, you don't do it by yourself, you do it on others. You can't say that this time. Now we come to the sides. I think it's nice if it's a very soft framing for your face. Take this strand, bring it a little into your face. You just slide down and always cut a little bit more away. This is what I cut. Here you see, you get this very, very soft look. So if you go in like this, you just have a hard line. But if you slide down the side, it's a very soft line. If I would do it on others, I would do it more this angle. But actually, I can't. It's physically not possible. You can see the difference here already. Here it's very, very long, straight. And here it's nice, softened out. I will not get long hair, but it's okay. And this little hair, and I hope the hair in my eye will go away soon as well. I hope this little lesson in cutting my fringe by myself was a help for you. If you cut your fringe too short, it's not my mistake. Do little cuts. If you like my new fringe, please give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you so much and bye.